Hello again, and welcome to William Stewart's Gemstones and Fishing Adventures. I'm Bill, and I'm out fishing tonight because I'm laid off and figured I should enjoy myself. Got a 15-inch rainbow there. Another one. Decided to make a movie for you guys. Hope you enjoy it. Got another one. Took the big fly. Well, thanks for coming by. There's something I come up with this year, and it's working good. Sort of like my Prince Nymph, but not really. It's like a blue drake, I'll call it. So if you want one, shoot me a text, give me your address, and give me your phone number if you're domestic, and I'll text you, and I can give you my address where you can send me $5. All right, later on.